Okay, this is the Pure Protein Chocolate Deluxe gluten-free bar. It has 21 grams of protein, higher than average, 3 grams of sugar, also higher than average, 180 calories. There's several in this box. How many are there in this box? There are 6. Okay, so one bar is 50 grams. It does include added sugars, 2 grams of added sugars. Not a fan of that. I prefer my sugars natural, but I guess they wanted it sweeter. Also has sucralose to sweeten it. I would prefer something more natural, maybe monk fruit. If you have a peanut allergy or you do not consume dairy products, this is not the one for you. It is made in the USA, and it does have 2 other flavors. The peanut flavor has a lower sugar count, which is good, and the chocolate chip one here has 20 grams like this one. So this one is the one that has the most protein in it, if you're looking for that extra protein punch. I always go by grams, by the way, and not daily percentages because people are different, you know? But anyway, the ultimate test for me is the taste. If it doesn't taste good, I'm probably not going to repurchase. So let's open this up so you can see what it looks like first. This is not opening very nicely on this side. I'm going to open it here. Open it here. Okay, that's like a nice closure system. And this is what the bar looks like. A little smaller than the average bar, but that's probably because it might taste better. We'll find out. Stay tuned. Okay, it's snack time at work here. Let's open this baby up. I've already clicked off the top. Chocolatey looking. Okay, so the texture for this is excellent. Feels kind of like a Mars bar without the nuts in it. So very nougaty, very chewy. I really enjoyed that. And what's wonderful about this bar to me is that it's not overly sweet at all. In fact, I would say it's low sweetness. It has a very dense chocolate feel, like more of a dark chocolatey feel to it, but definitely not sugary. I'm really enjoying this particular one.